Hello guys, so today I'm going to be folding my double barrel over and under shotgun. Here it is. It's a pretty simple model. So guys, and please check out my other video as well. And please consider subscribing. Okay. So here it is. So first you need a full sheet of paper, A4 paper. This is just a quarter size paper that cut out. I really like using this size, and you want to cut a long strip of paper in fourth, I guess, like this. And yeah, you need one strip of them. Okay, so here it is, and now you want to fold it in half. So, and make sure the edge is facing towards you. Okay, so this will be the barrel as well. Okay, and fold it in half again. So make sure the edge is on your side. Okay, and fold that in half again 2 times like this. Okay, then you want to fold it in half. Okay, then you take the top piece and fold it kind of in thirds. Okay, so this side should equal the same length as this side, roughly, and fold it back in half. And now you're going to take the back edge right here, right here, and then you're going to shift it kind of up. So this will be the rail on top. So shift this kind of up so you can see it on top right here. Okay, see? And fold it back down. And now you see this corner right here. You want to fold down this corner. To shape out the rail on top. Okay, then you see this front layer right here. You want to fold that down to the bottom. Okay, fold this in half. So there will be a top barrel and the bottom barrel. Okay, all the way to the back. Open that up. Okay, and now you see this corner right here on the bottom. You want to kind of fold in that corner. Okay. And now for the stock, you want to fold this piece down. So, and put it in a slight slant. Okay. And fold right around here, about third way. Okay. Fold that up, and now out, like so. Okay, and lift a little bit of the back edge up to shape out the stock. Okay, and here it is. This is my under and over and under shotgun. So yeah, thank you for watching and have a great day.